I told you I was going in a helicopter when I proposed my wrist. Oh, thank God for healing my wrist. Oh, thank you God for being there with me. I thank God for being there. I thank my sister being there too. And my brother and mom and dad being there the whole time I was there at the hospital. Oh, thank you. Thank God for it.